In this video, I'll cover marking system at SSB interview. So far, you have been watching my videos for performing various tests, but today I'll give you a bird's eye view about the marking system. Now, on the day one, we have a screening test which roughly carries about 100 marks, and OIR and PPDT carries about 50 marks each. And to get through, you must get at least 70% marks in OIR test, and in PPDT you should try to get maximum marks. And remember that in PPDT story is important, but group discussion is most important. It carries maximum marks. So this is about the first day. Now second day you have psychologist test which carries 225 marks. Psychologist test has got three subparts: WAT, SRT and TAT. In WAT you get 60 words. In SRT again you get 60 situations, and in TAT you get about 13 pictures. And you must get at least 70% marks to do well. And 70% marks, these are the least expected. You should try to get as much as possible. Now coming over to next day, that these are GTO's tests, or these are also called GTO's tasks. They carry total 225 marks, and rough distribution is shown on the slide. So among GTO's test, you have group planning exercise, your lecturate, group discussion, then progressive group task, half group task, final group task, snake race, and individual obstacles. The marks are shown. GP is about 55 marks. Again, group discussion is most important here. In lecturate, the 25 marks, you got to speak for 3 minutes. So you have to practice this very well. Now group discussion, very important. Wherever there is a there are speaking exercises like PPDT, GP, and group discussion. They are very important for your selection process. So again, this carries 55 marks, and you must get actually in all the GTS tests you should try to get minimum 90% marks. Progressive group task, half group task, final group task, take race. The marks are about 65%, and here your leadership actually emerges out. So there are no discussions or no test of knowledge, but they just see your physical performance and how well you speak and organize things. So try to get good marks here, 90% marks. And then you have individual obstacles. These carry about 25% 25 marks out of 225. So far you have seen 100 marks on the screening day, then 450 marks for the GTO and psychologist test. Now another 450 marks are with president. The distribution is as shown. The personal interview is for 225 marks, and final conference is 225 marks. So you have to do very well in personal interview. This is also called president's interview. And if you don't do well here, then your chances are very bleak. And final conference, it carries a lot of marks, 225 marks. In final conference, you are called after all the tests are over, and this is held just before results are declared. But here they basically assess all the borderline cases, and the president has actually discretion. So if he feels a candidate is strong, then out of these grace marks, he can help him out. So now you must be clear that what the how the marks are there. Now I'll just show you the summary. Screening test has got 100 marks. Psychologist test and GTO's task, they carry 225 marks each, 450 marks. And personal interview and final conference, again 225 marks each, so 450 marks. So that means interview and conference, they have half the weightage, and other two tests, that is psychologist and GTO, they got half weightage. So now how to perform? Remember that in SSB, it's not a mathematical exercise that you secure marks here and then you are declared qualified. Your spoken abilities are most important, and hence you have to do very very well on president's interview, which has got 225 marks. And second most important is GTO's task. And if you do well in the president's interview and GTO's task, your chances of selection are 90%. If you do well in president's interview and psychologist test, but you do not do very well at GTO's task, president can consider you for grace out of conference marks of 225. So these are the two possible permutation combinations. Now, what should be your strategy for selection? So do well in written and PPDT on first day to clear the screening test. Then do well in president's interview. You straightway get most marks out of 450 marks, which are controlled by him. Interview marks and final conference marks. Then do well on GTO's task. This is most important. And psychologist test, yes, you have to do well. You can't, ignore it. But try to get good marks here also. So hope I made the selection process and marking system clear. So thank you very much. Jai Hind. And like and subscribe my video.